Hello and welcome back to Cocktails and Crankshafts. Today we have another unboxing. Let's take a moment to open the box and get everything out. This is the SCCA Championship winning 1970 Datsun 240Z of BRE Racing Enterprises. This car is a 1/18 scale replica by Kyosho, car number 2061 of 3000 produced. This is a bit of a departure from my usual auto art and minicamps fare, but in this case it is well worth it. As you can see, this model has stunning detail, including opening doors, hood and hatch, highly detailed engine, exhaust system and full interior. It also includes a numbered certificate of authenticity. This is an iconic car, famous not just for winning, but also for its red, white and blue livery and two-color slanted stripes. I briefly owned an infamously rusted-out 1978 280Z and have always wanted another early Datsun Z car. Especially one that was racetrack and hill climb capable. These cars are getting increasingly rare and expensive, so this may be as close as I get. Don't let the text-to-voice commentary concern you. This is just an experiment I'm testing. I'll continue to use my natural voice in all long-form content, although I may continue using text-to-voice for some of the shorter videos. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.